So the Dyson V11 is a little bit more expensive than our other machines for a few reasons. So firstly, the Dyson V11 has the strongest suction of any of our machines, and it can get up to 185 air watts of power. Next, it's got a bit more advanced technology, so it has the LED screen at the top of the machine, and that will tell you exactly how much runtime you have left. It will tell you what power mode you're on, and it will also give you any maintenance notifications as well. The Dyson V11 Absolute has the dynamic loading sensors, so that means that with the high torque head it can sense what type of floor it's on and it will adjust its suction accordingly. So if it's on a carpet, it'll have a greater suction than if it's on a hard floor. So those are the differences between the Dyson V11 and our other machines. If you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag AskADysonExpert.